It's a beautiful day in the QuickBooks space, a beautiful day in your business place. It's your bottom line, money and time. Since we're together, we might as well say, won't you be my QuickBooks neighbor?
Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the next episode of QuickBooks and More. So today we're going to talk about what is QuickBooks. So you have to have been hiding under a rock the last few years if you've never heard of QuickBooks. QuickBooks is the #1 accounting software in the world today. And where did it come from? Well, Scott Cook created it in 1993 for his wife. She needed something to handle their accounting and to do it without being stressed out. Now that's a dedicated husband. Wish I had one of those. But since 1993, we have launched numerous different platforms, whether it be QuickBooks Desktop, of course you have Pro, Premier, and Enterprise, and then our newest release, which is QuickBooks Online, which a lot of people think is fairly new, but it's not. It's been around for years. We just have decided to really put some time and energy into it and make it the #1 SaaS model accounting system. I'm Beverly Lang, and I'll see you next time.